My name is Ryosuke. I'm from Japan. I'm traveling all around the world by bicycle. In 2 years, I started from Shanghai in China, and after China, I go through the Kazakhstan, and now I'm in Kyrgyzstan. Or this is our third country. So from now, I go through the Central Asia and Europe and go down to Africa and Americas. So I'm really looking forward to visiting every country all around the world.
Why do you do it?
Because I'm 30 years old. Also, before I get married and settle down, so I want to try the big challenge in my life.
Yeah. How long did it take to be in Kyrgyzstan?
After started my travel, about 2 months.
2 months
From Shanghai.
Yeah.
Almost 2 months.
Did you have some problems in China and Kyrgyzstan?
About the border, very smoothly.
In Kyrgyzstan?
Without any trouble.
What about the people of Kyrgyzstan?
Very nice, because lots of people gave me accommodations and lots of food, delicious food. Yeah, everyone was very kind.
How do you like? What can you tell about our country, mountains?
Kyrgyzstan is full of mountains, lots of mountains. So it is not easy to cycling, but the scenery, the view is very nice. Yeah, that's very different from China or Kazakhstan. Yeah.
Is it similar to Japan?
No, completely different. But Japan is also mountain, but there's no lot of lakes and completely different.
What will you do when you finish your tour?
Actually, I have not decided yet, but through this experience, I want to try more exciting things.
Like what?
Like teaching English again, or I used to be an English teacher, or something for the sightseeing, tourisms.
Maybe write a book.
Yeah, of course.
What will it about the book?
Of course, about my experience through this journey and lots of beautiful photos where I visited.
Did you have some maybe times when you regret that you started this traveling?
After started?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. But sometimes I feel lonely and feel regret. But lots of people, local people, was very kind. So every time I receive the kindness, I feel excited about to go to the next place. Yeah.
Can you tell about your food? How do you cook, or how do you buy food?
Okay. When I stay outside, basically I cook myself, like instant noodle or making sandwiches. So very simple cooking. And basically I visit local restaurant. My favorite is lagman.
Lagman?
Yeah, I like that.
Lagman.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
And chai, of course.
Chai.
Yeah.
Do you have some friends on your road, maybe in Europe or Kyrgyzstan?
Actually, now I don't have any friends in Europe or Americans, but so far in these 2 months, I was able to make lots of friends, cyclist friends. Yeah.
Do you have some funny stories happened to you?
Okay, not special, but what was fun through the cycling is I can make friends on the road and cycle through the road for a week or 2 weeks. Yeah, that was very exciting. Yeah.
Then you rode different, yeah?
And meet again. Yeah, someday, yeah.